the province of Lanao del Norte's achievement in becoming officially free from lymphatic filariasis. This is not only a triumph of our public health, but also a testament to the incredible work, dedication, and collective spirit of every individual involved in your journey. Lymphatic filariasis, tulad po na nasabi kanina, is a debilitating disease that affects millions of people worldwide and is actually endemic in 46 provinces in the Philippines. And it causes irreversible disability and suffering. And for years, it has been a silent and invisible threat in many communities, robbing people of their dignity, livelihood, and opportunity. But today, we stand here to witness the culmination of years of your hard work, collaboration, and unwavering commitment to the elimination of this disease as a public health concern in your province of Lanao del Norte. In 2021, this journey toward becoming lymphatic filariasis free has not been easy. It has been filled with challenges, setbacks, and long hours of hard work. Especially po yung ating mga medtechs na nocturnal blood exam, na nagpupuyat para mag-collect ng dugo sa ating mga komunidad. However, it has also been a journey marked by unity, resilience, and hope. From our health workers who have gone door to door ensuring that every individual receives the necessary mass drug administration or prophylaxis and treatment, to our local governments, from the governor to the mayor, to our barangay captains and barangay officials who have provided critical resources and support, to our communities that have embraced the efforts and spread awareness. Each of you here have played a vital role in making this dream a reality. I would also like to take a moment to extend the Department of Health's deepest gratitude to our dedicated health professionals and health volunteers, health workers, every one of you who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Your efforts in carrying out mass drug administration, advocacy campaigns, transmission assessment surveys, in-explain ni Ma'am Maribit kanina, which is part of our surveillance efforts, and advocacy interventions for the public have been indispensable. You have not only helped eliminate the disease, but have also empowered each member of the community with the knowledge and tools to protect themselves and their families. This achievement is also a reflection of the power of partnership from our provincial government, collaborating with various sectors, dito po yung education sector natin, collaborating with the regional and national government agencies, international partners, and non-government organizations. We have all worked together, each bringing our unique experiences and resources to the table. And through this collaboration, we have not only tackled lymphatic filariasis, but we have also